Hello and welcome back, everybody, here to the Pulse with the PeakBot team. I am Dillon Del Rosso, joined by my co-founders and co-hosts, Ben, Thomas. How you doing? How's everybody going?
Good. How are you?
Good, man. Thank you for asking. We went through this backstage and, just natural greeting. Hey, what's going on, everybody? And Thomas already had asked me how I was doing, which has become a regular thing here on the show, which is so kind of you, Thomas. I avoided answering backstage. I'm doing well. It's Friday, I think. Yeah, I think it's Friday.
It's Friday, all right.
We got another week of trading in the bag here almost. Really excited to look at our results. Thomas and I need some help getting, back in the W column here. Ben took it from us in week 1 for hashtag PeakBot picks. So we're going to get into that and a number of other things.
Did we ever determine who won last week?
You did.
Yeah, you did.
No, but we didn't have our show on.
There was the teetering ones.
We posted it on social. You went 3 for 3 for contracts that expired on the 27th.
I think that was the week before. No, am I wrong here?
Look, I actually prepped today. I have everything pulled up. I looked at all of our bookmarked stuff. Let me pull it up here. I'll confirm. We can visually lay eyes on what happened. All right. So 1 second here. Anyway, while I'm pulling this up, I know we have picks that were submitted this week that we need to check on with a few hours left in the market. So now I'm all distracted. I'm looking for results from last week. But we'll get this up and running. We'll take a look at a couple other things. We have a few other maybe announcements. So we got a lot going on today. Somebody take over while I find these results from last week.
Okay. Dylan's going to take over while he finds these results. We're going to have trades coming through in just a minute now. So I do have Trader Trivia pulled up. However, I'm going to switch over to see if I don't even remember. I'm doing so much testing in my account nowadays. I'm going to pull up my screen here.
I should have a couple too.
And this is my one account. I'm going to change over to my PeakBot account, which I am automating in that account as well. So I've got some positions here. All of these positions are looking pretty good. I've got BitX, I've got GLD, I've got Walmart, bearish on BitX, and it looks like that was a good call for this week.
Yeah.
GLD, I was bullish, $3 above the money there, which is great. And then Walmart, I'm about $2 out of the money there. So these positions are looking good. If we look at the percentages, they've pretty much lost all of their value. So great week for me. This is the cash flow bot. So at 12 o'clock, I think, let me just confirm that I still have.
And by the way,
okay.
I was going to say, I found the results from last week.
Okay, cool. So now you ruined my groove, Dylan.
I threw you off. Look, obviously today's not my day.
So yeah, I've got Walmart, BitX, and gold set to just roll right into next week. So in a couple of minutes here, we should start seeing some orders come through. But Dylan, you want to go through
let's just look at this. Let's just look at this. So this was selected on 9/20, expired on 9/27, right? So that was picks that expired on last Friday. Here's the results. And then we have picks from this week, right? So remember, Ben, you went up 1-0 on us last week.
Yeah, okay. All right.
So this week we have picks from this week too, which are right here, which we can take a look at now, later, whenever, sometime on this show. But yeah, we can look at this now or later, whatever you guys want to do. We should take a look at some trades coming through. I should have a couple closing. I just had an iron condor fill. I'm blowing it. I need to get my screen up.
Get your screen up. Again, my account might be on a different timing at the moment for testing, so it might not be the best to show, but let's get yours up here. So you filled Iron Condor. That's the most predictable one. That's the one that we should have had on screen for the entire thing.
Yep. So I did 5 condors on SPY for today. may have looked at the SPY today, so I don't have a leg up on the picks, but I may have looked at this and made a decision already. So those just entered just now. I'm getting more active with my Iron Condor bot. I see too many PeakBot subscribers who keep it on and see success. I get scared about volatile markets and all-time highs and stuff, but I'm in. I'm starting to follow my model portfolio. Right now, I like the Condor on with SPY. I have a couple other positions here that we could see closes on. I am in the money on a good amount of these. Hasn't been a great week for me. This week, I actually only ran the trend spread strategy. Truthfully, I think it was due to, even when you have an automated strategy, I didn't have enough time to really look at my portfolio last week and get it set up. So we're going to see how these come out. I have them all set to smart exit. So if we do see orders filling on these trades from the trend spread strategy, it's going to be closing my current contracts. We won't be seeing new ones opening, because if we look at my PeakBot account here, I have them all set to smart exit. So those are the trades we just saw, some in the money, some out of the money. But I won't be rolling them this week, just closing, because I'm going to reset this and start following my model portfolio a little bit better. So I'll just take another look if we had more orders here, but not just yet, but waiting on a couple of these to come through.
Yeah, it'll happen anytime between 12 and 1. So
yep.
Although the Iron Condor is pretty dead on at 12 to 12:05.
Always is. Yep.
Great.
So
all right, let's move into some trader trivia. And then Dillon, if you start getting, why don't you keep your screen shared and we just pop it into the screen if we get trades coming through. But
deal.
Do that. I'll pull up my screen and we can get started with trader trivia. So one thing that we have been doing and may or may not continue to do, we'll see how all of this free stuff goes. But if you know the answer to this question and you want to try PeakBot, if you're not currently on PeakBot and you want 3 free months of PeakBot, you want to give it a shot, you can do that by answering this question correctly and texting the answer. You can just text A, B, C, or D to 973-888-1166. Shoot us a text. Don't call us. Inevitably, every time we do this, we get people calling us. But text us the answer. And the question is, and this is kind of related to the question we had last week for cash secured puts, but what is the maximum potential loss when selling a naked call option? Is it A, unlimited loss, B, just the premium received, C, the difference between the strike price and the stock price, or D, the stock's market price at expiration? What are we thinking?
Well,
how long do we want to give them?
Yeah, I think we don't.
Well, we've got a did you know, but I mean, what do you guys think? You guys know the answer, right?
Thomas, what do you think?
I don't want to say yet. I know the answer.
I know the answer. This happened to me last week. I know the answer, but I'm freaking out about not knowing the answer. You know what I mean?
Well, I'd rather.
I'm overthinking it. I'm not a good test taker. But we're going to give time.
To the did you know, and then we'll come back to it.
Okay, fair enough. So the did you know, and this is more historical than we've been going after before, but I kind of liked it. So the did you know that options trading dates back to ancient Greece?
Well, wait,
the philosopher Thales. How would you guys?
We got trades. We got trades.
They're coming in.
I thought rice futures were older. What is this? I feel lied to.
What's that, Thomas?
I thought we said rice futures were older.
No, that's futures. This is options.
Come on, man. That was futures.
Yeah, but I thought that was the whole thing, which was older. Wasn't that the question?
All right, pop quiz, Thomas. What's the difference between futures and options?
Yeah, tell us.
See, I'm not that good with futures, but I know that you have to take the assignment, essentially. That's really the biggest difference.
Yeah. So anyways, dates back to ancient Greece. Thales, however you pronounce that, is said to use the earliest, I guess it says earlier, not earliest form of options. Remember, this is from GPT. But he wanted to secure rights to an olive press when a large harvest came in.
I feel lied to be honest.
So that means that this guy paid an olive presser money so that way he can have access to the olive press at some point in the future. Wow. I feel like when you really break options down, it's just standard business as usual.
Yeah,
it is
business as usual. I'd like that. That's a phrase I'd like to coin for like my portfolio, just business as usual, growing, doing the right things. Okay. Well,
right.
Interesting.
Let's get back to the trivia question now. Again, if you haven't gotten your answer in, shoot us a text 973-888-1166 and you could win a free 3 months of PeakBot. And the answer is, Thomas?
Unlimited.
I want to quickly agree. I know it was a business decision for Ben to go to Thomas there.
It was.
It was a smart decision. I want you to know that I also, truthfully, from the bottom of my heart, knew that it was unlimited. Hopefully. Okay, it is. All right. I didn't even see you.
Well, pop quiz, Dillon. Why is it unlimited?
Because you're naked, man. No protection. There's no spread there. It's unlimited. You're on the call side.
Okay.
Right? I mean, I think it's that simple. Look, as a reminder, all this teasing, I'm the layman of the group. These guys are a bit more nerdy with the trading, but we end up with similar results, don't we, gentlemen? So speaking of that, maybe we get into the PeakBot picks. Which I can get pulled up unless anybody else has some trades to show.
I do have trades. Unfortunately, we were messing around while they were happening. But as we can see here, my Walmart position and my GLD position, trying to close out for a penny, can't even do that because nobody wants those contracts. So those will expire worthless. Very good. And then BitX closed out at 4 cents. Which was really nice. I think the order was placed at 10 cents. So nice fill for me there. And moving into next week, it looks like I collected about $1.04 in premium on GLD. It looks like I collected about, and that's just on, that's 2 spreads there. Okay, so I've got 2 spreads open on GLD, which is great. I think I might have made that adjustment. And then, cash flow is the bot that automatically adjusts budget. There's so much going on now. I can't keep things straight.
So many strategies.
So many.
So that's really nice. So I didn't just make $104 in premium. I made $208 in premium. That's cool. I like that. And then Walmart sold for 16 cents. There's 10 contracts there. That's another $160. And then BitX, still bearish. This is 2 spreads as well. So 35 plus 35, that's another $70. So it's like $300 or $400.
Good haul. Good haul right there.
I like that. I can do that. I can do that weekly.
You can do that every week. By the way, Walmart, I don't know if we'll get to this today. Again, I'm building my model portfolio around the rules I've built for using PeakBot strategies, and the wheel being the foothold there. Walmart is you look at the chart for Walmart, it is one of the best charts. I'm tempted to take Walmart bullish on every single week of PeakBot picks. I might lock it in and only make 2 picks.
I've been rocking with Walmart for a while on cash flow right now.
It's great. It is a great stock. Long term, I mean, it is one of the best charts. I was looking at other stocks that I could fit, in my budget for the wheel long term. There's just not a chart that looks as good as Walmart, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Don't do what I do if you don't want to.
So on that note, I figured I might as well go to my trade log here in my cash flow bot. I've been trading Walmart since August 23rd, and I'm up almost $400 trading Walmart. This week looks like it's going to be a particularly large week with the premium that I pull. Oh, actually, no, it's $160. Yeah. So, I mean, it could be a really good week. So $160 on it. That's a great week.
Yep. So that's one of our premium partners. You said that's all cash flow, right? What you're looking at?
That's cash flow.
So free ft.usepeakbot.com is the cash flow bot is available. One of our premium partners, Freedom Team Trading. Look at that equity curve. I mean, hard to be upset about that. So yeah, if you want the cash flow bot, it is available as a separate subscription at ft.usepeakbot.com. Awesome. Picks. All right. So we can see my screen here, right? I'll zoom in more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these were weekly picks, credit spreads for our competition. Ben, Thomas, myself. Last week we had reset. Last week was the first week with the new scoreboard. Ben's 1-0. Thomas and I are 0-1. We might get to rocks, paper, scissors for a tie here again today. Well, actually, it won't be live, so that's not true. Might be doing it Monday. I was all bullish last week. Ben and Thomas both had 2 bulls, 1 bear. Sounds like a great and also familiar podcast. What we can do here now is start taking a look. Who wants to go first? Ben, you know what? You won last week. Whose picks do you want to see first?
Let's go with yours.
Okay, here we go. Now we can take away my screen, pull up yours, Ben.
Did it.
Okay, here we go.
Are you still working off of one monitor?
Dude, you're going to expose me like that? I'm getting a computer this weekend.
Wait, a computer?
It's my HDMI jack. My computer will no longer take this. It won't connect to any monitor. I went to Geek Squad.
They won't just change the HDMI cord? Or like
No, it's something dinged up on the inside of the HDMI, man.
It's unfortunate.
I don't know what to tell you. And then the external HDMI like adapter I have, just not going to do it. Not going to work. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just spend no more time on that. If I'm not on 2 monitors by the time we're 3 weeks into this competition, something's going to happen. All right? Something bad's going to happen to me.
Let's get going here. Let's get going.
ABBV, bullish, put spread. I earned $22 in premium. This expired on the 27th. This expires today. I'm sorry. Sold strike 190. 190.
190 bullish. You need to be above 190.
Dang,
you're right.
Here we
You're
go.
there.
1 for
You were
1.
there.
IBM bullish, $48 in premium. 20 sold strike 217.5.
217.5.
Yeah.
2 for 2.
Here we go. The old trusty steed, WMT, Walmart, picking it every week. Said it here. Put spread, 16 in premium, $78 sold strike. Show it to me. Imagine I was wrong after all this. Oh, thank God it didn't come under. All right. 3 for 3 for your boy right now. That's fun. Thomas or Ben? Ben, what do you want to see? You or Thomas right now?
Thomas.
All right, here we go. Thomas, you want to see your bear or your bull first, Tom?
Maybe the bear.
YT. Schwab, bearish, ticker SCHW. Love it.
I think there was a move downwards.
66. Trying to stay below 66. Yes, he did. Did.
There was a move down because didn't their CEO step down?
Yep.
Yes, they did. CEO stepped down. That was some big news. That hit my LinkedIn this week. All right, nicely done. $22 in premium. Bullish now. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J, put spread bullish, $40 earned in premium this week. $160 as the sold strike, trying to stay above it. Oh. What are the 5-day?
5-day coming up.
159.
Oh, yikes.
That's rough.
Ooh, brutal morning for you, Thomas.
Yeah.
160 is looking tough.
I could bounce back.
Nah, it's not bouncing back.
Is there a little support at the bottom there?
Don't give me hope.
There's a little support at the bottom.
Yeah, but it's not going to bounce up like 1%, 2%. There's 4 hours left on a
consolidation right there.
I need some serious consolidation.
All right. Well, 1 for 2. Close though. We'll keep an eye on it.
Very close. Very close. Look, it's already going back up.
It is. It's a good bar.
Look at it go.
All right. Yeah.
Look.
We should stay here. Well, you know what? We're going to go through the rest of Ben's and Thomas' last pick, and then we're going to take a back look at J&J. Thomas, don't let us forget. All right.
Oh, well.
XOM, ticker XOM. What is that? Is that Exxon? What is that?
Yeah,
ExxonMobil.
ExxonMobil. Put spread bullish, $85 earned in premium this week. $113 is the sold put strike. Wow.
Ooh, smoked it.
Can we look at that 5-day? I mean, that's a
Smoked it.
nice increase.
Smoked it, Thomas.
Yeah, look at that.
You
Look
were
at that.
taking profits day one into this.
Yeah. What a
Dude,
great.
wish we traded that. Can you look at really quick while we're on it? Let's look at the next week technical analysis on XOM really quick because I might.
No, that's cheating. You're cheating.
Yeah.
We got to make our picks. I know what you're trying to do.
He's trying to get ahead here. He's gonna go log into Tradier himself, and he's
Go, dude. All right, here we go. Thomas, 2 for 3. Now we're going to Ben. Just a reminder, I'm doing better than Thomas right now. Ben, 2 bulls, 1 bear. Ben, you want your bear or bull?
Start me with the bear. Bear was DJT, right?
DJT, you already knew it. $36 in premium, 17.5.
I think I'm going to get smoked on this.
What was you?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
All right.
It's a good
We're
one.
good.
Okay, very good. Good
old trusty DJT continuing to fall.
Yeah, it is. That's good. Okay, sorry. Next one is bullish MMM, triple M. $30 earned premium. Your sold put that you're looking to stay above is 135.
135. Oh,
It's another heartbreaker.
Right on the border. Right on the border.
You were good not that long ago.
I was good this morning.
Like this morning, you were looking.
Look at that bar.
Wow.
No, we're bouncing back. We're definitely maybe closing the day above 135.
You are very close. This is closer than Thomas's actually.
Yeah,
it is.
It's
It
30
is.
cents.
All right. Okay. Well, very close. On paper though, 1 for 2.
Yeah, 1 for 2.
Cassava Sciences, always hanging around. $40 earned in premium. Bullish put spread 25.5. You're looking to stay above.
25.5. Let's go.
Nice.
All right. So Thomas and I are both 2 for 3 with
J&J. Look at J&J.
with tickers hovering right around the money.
What did we look for? 160? Yeah.
160.
And then let's look at
This is improving, Thomas.
I'm glad that you're trying to get my hopes up here, but I think Dillon's gonna have to beat.
Look, you've got a triple top. Bam, bam, bam. And you're breaking through it, Thomas. You're breaking through it.
All right.
Bar.
In J&J, we trust.
Oh, sorry. I can find this anywhere else on the Tradier Hub.
Unfortunately, a triple top is a bearish pattern.
Wait a minute. Why don't you go to technical analysis for J&J? We can take it off the board. Let's look at what it says for the next 4 hours. Or 2 hours, whatever.
4.
Not good, Thomas.
Ooh, not good, Thomas. Not good.
It is not
RT.
good. Maybe I'll sell a call against it.
Bam, bam, bam. Triple top. You might want to sell a call that expires
go ahead,
today.
live.
Little zero DTE action on J&J.
Do it.
I'm in. I'll do it. I'll do it right now.
Oh, wow. Let's go.
Look at you, Ben. Go for it. The premium is probably so low.
Hey,
look, Thomas, you can earn $6.
Ben's gonna do this right now.
Is he really?
It's free money. Free money on the table.
There's free money.
Make $5.
Go ahead, man. That's a free
I'm not actually going to do that. Risk 250. Risk 250 to make $5. Actually, risk 245 to make $5.
That sounds like a lot of sports. That sounds like a lot of sports bets that my friend unsuccessfully plays. Yeah. All right. So, are we making picks now? We gotta make picks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta rock it out to see who goes first or who picks the order.
All right.
Do you want to go over the orb today at all? New max.
We can.
You want to go over it? It's a great trade today.
Now that you mentioned it.
It was great.
Well, we don't want to get into the sauce but
it's true. We can't get into
no
it.
sauce. But what we can say is
we launched
new
with
strategy.
Max.
Yeah, let's put that on screen.
Launch with Max if you've got that.
Yeah.
Last Thursday night.
Thursday
Traded
night.
Friday, sat out on Monday because Jerome Powell was speaking, and we don't trade on J Pow days. Traded Tuesday, traded Wednesday, traded Thursday, and traded today. So 6 days, was that 5 days of trading?
Yeah.
And it's won every single day since launch, which is
has not lost.
Fantastic. Has not lost since launch. And even today, it won already. I took my profit.
Is it max.peakbot or max.usepeakbot?
Max.peakbot.
Max.peakbot.com.
Yeah.
90% plus win rate. Max traded this strategy manually last year, made over 300% annual return. And this is the exact strategy. I mean, we built it with them. It was rigorous. We did it. It took a little while. We're out. We're launched. Very much excited about it. We got coming in on 100 subscribers just in a couple of days. We're a lot of people. And the nice thing about this strategy, people, picking stocks is no longer a problem. Yeah. You're trading SPX. It's trading every day. It's going to determine how it wants to set up, whether it's put on the put side, call side, condor, whatever, and it trades for you. Check it out, max.peakbot.com. Here's Ben's account, trading it since how long?
This is since launch, so we've been live for a week now. So you can see first day made $50, sat out on, when did we sit out on? What day was that?
Friday.
No, we sat out on Monday, I think it was.
Yeah, Monday the 30th, maybe, yeah.
So I'm not sure what the slight adjustment is here, but then bumped up to 125 in profit. Then the next day, 165. So that was a slow day, $10. Bumped up the contracts, kept going, and bam, after a week, I'm up $285. And it's literally like Dillon was saying, these are the settings.
Yeah.
SPX is it. Adjust your spreads. You can choose to take profit at 5 cents or not.
Yeah.
And then you can do a 5 wide spread or a 10 wide spread. Don't do the 5 wide spread, not financial advice. I prefer the 5 wide spread. I mean, the 10 wide spread.
Yeah. So a super, super successful strategy when traded manually. We automated it. The other nice thing about this is all trades are the same. Okay. 99% of entries are going to be identical here, right? Of course, there can be, nuances to that, but everybody's making the same trade.
Yeah.
So there's no ifs, ands, or buts as to if you're going to have success with this strategy versus someone else. So check it out, max.peakbot.com.
So before we get into our picks, let's just do our weekly market analysis. Yeah.
Sure.
I think it would be nice of us to bring up the economic calendar every week.
Okay, go ahead.
So let's just quickly review that. So like we said earlier this week, Powell had a speech on Monday. Good thing that the 0DT bot sat out that day, because it would have been a double loss, which has only happened once in the last 5 years. Now it's happened twice. So that's why we risk manage and we don't trade on that bot on certain days. And the bot is automatically set up to do that. As the user, you don't have to do that. The bot just won't trade. On Tuesday, we had jobs reports. Yesterday, services PMI. And I think that services PMI came out good. I think it came out with good results last week. And then unemployment rate this morning, as we can see, the actual unemployment rate is lower than the forecasted unemployment rate. That means, great, we've got jobs. We got people working.
Yeah.
And we can see from job openings, there's more job openings. So if you're entering the workforce, hopefully this is encouraging for you. It's encouraging for us because the more people that have more income to trade with, the more people will use PeakBot, because this is a great place to put your money. So that's this week. Looking towards next week, nothing big on Monday, nothing big on Tuesday. Love those quiet days. And by the way, I'm on TradingView. I'm just filtered for these high importance events here for the US only. On Wednesday, we've got FOMC minutes. So that might be a day that we take off. on the 0DT bot. And then we've got inflation reports on Thursday pre-market. So that could cause a rocky market open. And then on Friday, PPI, and I'm not sure what this Michigan consumer sentiment is, but we can look into that. But PPI is pre-market as well. So that's the market condition, or the market economic event, sorry. Now, if we look at the SPY and we look at the charts, and we try to get a sense for where the overall market is at, back in July, we hit a top, pulled back. In August, hit that top again, pulled back, but not as far. And now we've broken past this top here, and we're kind of forming the same type of pattern that we did back in August. We're kind of bouncing between a range here. If I had to guess, and I would think that maybe we pull back a little bit more to like 560 here, which could happen next week. And then maybe we keep bouncing higher. Maybe that pattern continues. We could probably go through that cycle one more time before the election. And then who knows what's going to happen after the election. So for me personally, I'm feeling kind of bearish this week, just based on what we've seen with these past two slight pullbacks here. If we look at the 1 week analysis for SPY, technical indicators are showing bullish buy signals. If we look at the month, we still have buy signals. If we look at, I guess the 4 hours isn't going to help us out too much, but for the rest of the day, it looks bullish. So technical indicators are indicating bullish. I think the Ben indicator is saying bearish. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. So that's the outlook. Is there anything else that we want to look into before we make picks?
No, I looked at that technical analysis prior to the call because I wanted to enter my iron condor trade. I feel it's hard to deny what you're looking at, right? I think anybody looking at this chart would agree that it's filling a similar pattern. Thomas, what are your thoughts on it? Quickly.
I think we see another week of consolidation before we see any big move happen.
Little dash.
Yeah, I think we see a little dash and then maybe a drop. But I don't think it's going to skyrocket too high too quick.
All right. Well, let's get into it then. Ben, are we going to rock this out?
Yeah, we rock it out now.
All right, let's duke it out. So I'll be the caller. Okay. Ben doesn't look ready.
I'm ready.
Can we have palm like this?
You don't look ready, Ben.
Ready. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm always the first. I'm always the first.
I was the first last time.
Yeah, it was Thomas. You're literally.
No, I meant to present. I presented it before you two did, but it's fine. There's a delay. Go ahead.
It doesn't matter for us. We can't tell.
Okay.
All right, Thomas. Ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All
right, Thomas got it.
So I get to pick first, or can I pick last?
You get to pick the whole order.
Determine the order.
Okay.
No, he gets to pick the whole order. Who do you want to go first? Why am I blurry now?
I want Ben first, Dillon second, me last. I want to go last.
Okay.
Who's got the timer?
I can get. You got the timer?
Yeah. All right, 3 minutes. No, we do 5.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, 3 picks.
Ben, get your screens ready.
I got it.
Ready when you are.
We're going to do this view right now. We're going to do this view. Okay. I'm ready to rock. Start the
3,
clock.
2, 1, go.
Go. All right. Right out the gate, I'm going bullish on Walmart.
Sicko, dude. You absolute sicko. All right. Hey, all is fair in love and war and trading.
$79 strike, $15 in premium.
Okay.
Actually, I gotta refresh this watch list. This might be stale.
79.15, you said? Got it.
I'm gonna go once again for high buffer. Do I stick with DJT? Bearish? I mean, We're at $19. Yeah, DJT bearish, $19.25 premium.
Okay. You have 2 picks done already?
Yeah, I'm not messing around.
God.
TSLL. Let's take a look at the
That was traded
technical
last week.
analysis on that. This is a Tesla ETF. Not digging it. Not digging it.
I cannot believe he picked Walmart.
Marathon, Novavax, BitX. I'm trading BitX. You saw that in my cash flow bot. Whoops, wrong screen. BitX, bearish. Let's see how we're looking on the technical analysis. I mean, look at that. Bearish movement downward. 1 week. Oh, BitX. Give me BitX bearish. And that's going to be the $29.50 strike and $30 in premium.
Okay. Well, you.
How much time do I have left? I might swap Walmart out.
Do you want to do that to Dillon? Do you want to give him an easy pick there?
2 minutes and 55 seconds.
I really only picked Walmart because it was going to mess with Dillon's plan.
That's very obvious to everyone. That's you have time. You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So you're gonna do something.
I'm looking. A lot of very high risk opportunities. Let's look at Etsy's got a good EV. Trading around 52. Strike at 55. I keep clicking that. Etsy. That's a nice bearish chart. I'm gonna look for the week. Yeah, give me Etsy. Give me Etsy. I'm gonna go 3 bears this week.
So you're getting rid of Walmart.
Get rid of Walmart. Going with Etsy. Where was it? Trading the 55 strike, 25 in premium.
Okay. All right. Well, that was interesting.
That was efficient.
It was efficient. It was efficient. All right. So I'm going now, right?
Yep.
Okay. So let me get my stuff pulled up, and I'll be ready to rock. Oh, Ben, do you want your picks? Do you want me to review the picks?
Yeah.
All right. So the picks were Etsy, bearish. DJT, bearish. BitX, bearish. I should have given the strikes, but I didn't. You guys just heard them.
That's fine. We'll review it all afterwards.
We'll get through it all. Okay. So I'm going to pull up my detailed trend spread watch list, and we are going to get going here. So research, everything is ready. Yeah, I think we're ready to rock and roll here.
Timer started.
Ready, set, go. All right. You know what? This is a shame. I needed to refresh this. Oh boy.
Uh-oh. Oh man, it's not loading now.
I needed the most live data. Okay. Walmart bullish. Strikes are $79 strike and $14 in premium. Ironically, I think the premium has gone down since you did this. So that's funny. All right, that's Walmart. Good.
You want it or no?
No, yeah, I'm taking it. Walmart bullish, please. Thank you. All right. So now,
can you give me those numbers one more time?
79, 50, 13, 14, 14. 79, 14. All right. So now we're looking at very high. I sorted by buffer. DJT leads the buffer every single week. It's ridiculous. I'm looking for my okay. Okay. All right. So I'm looking for my first bullish neutral, which I still haven't seen yet. Okay. Bullish moderate. Southwest Airlines. I don't love it, but it meets criteria. Let's look at LUV. Strike price 30. LUV. Bullish. Trying to stay above 30. We're going to look at the technical analysis. That's good. That isn't as good. If we're going to look at the chart here, zoom in, that's a pretty good 3-month chart. It's a little bouncy there at the end. 5-day, trying to stay above 30. It looks like we've jumped. I think it could. Yeah, give me LUV above $30. And
so you're bullish.
Yeah, I'm bullish. LUV above 30, $11 premium. I got 2 bulls. Now I'm going to find
What's the strike? What's the strike? Sorry.
Dude. Oh, dude.
You're killing us.
Oh, man. Tom, I just went and Googled UV when trying to type in LUV. All right.
Wow.
This is absolute garbage. What else are you doing? $30 strike price, $11 in premium. Don't forget it.
Got it.
All right. We're not this mean to each other normally. This is just for entertainment. Bearish low, MRK. Love a bearish low. Sorry?
Can you zoom in a little bit?
Unbelievable, dude. Now look what happens. All right, 112, trying to stay below 112 on MRK, not MKR. This is just a nightmare. Below 112. Yo, whoa. Okay, that's a bearish week right there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. Yeah, give me MRK. Are we ready for this?
Yeah.
MRK, bearish, 112, $19 earned in premium. I'm done. That's it.
All right. You had 1 minute and 10 seconds to spare.
Okay, very cool.
All right, YT.
I'm ready.
You're up. Oh, was I zoomed in the whole time like we did for Ben at the end of there?
No.
Okay, good. We're going to zoom in on Thomas the entire time, though.
I'm zoomed in.
Oh, no. Okay.
It's a lot of pressure here.
We got to switch. We got to switch him. Now he's switched.
Okay. All right. Now he's the primary.
Thomas, are you ready?
Let's get a screen pulled up here.
Are we good now?
Your screen's there.
All right. We're good.
All right. Timer started.
Oh, it started. Okay. I think we're going to go back to it. Where is it? We're going to go short on Schwab again. Where is it? It doesn't want to find
Hey, if you're going to do it, it gets a little funky. Control F without the things open. Get to the...
Oh, whoa.
Oh, man.
I just lost my whole screen. Can I get a pause?
Yeah, you're down.
Am I down?
You're not losing time. No, we're not pausing time, but I took your screen down.
Okay.
You are absolutely still ticking here.
Oh, no. Okay. This is not good. I
do this every week. I'm not asking for pauses.
Right, do you know how to get your tabs back, Thomas?
Yeah. We're good.
I don't see his screen. I don't see your screen up.
It's coming back. It's coming back.
This is incredible. TikTok.
All right. We're good. We're good.
Wow.
We're good.
How fun is this?
I need Schwab now. I don't like that I can't find it. Where is it?
This is horrendous.
No, where is it going? It should be on here.
What are you looking for?
Schwab.
It doesn't want to function. All right. You know what? Maybe
there's not enough premium on it right now.
Yeah, but I really want to go short on it.
What about the watch list in app? Is that going to be easier to navigate?
We are in app.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You know what? We're gonna go Occidental Petroleum bearish. I have a feeling that's gonna be a good one.
What's the ticker?
OXY. Let me just double check the chart here.
Bearish
popped up today. I like that it popped up today. Let's go for bearish. Now I'm running low on time. Bearish. Sold strike 58. Bought strike 60. Earned $16 in premium.
Just need the sold and the premium, my friend. Thank you.
Oh, you're right. Sold 58, earning $16.
Good. Keep moving.
Bearish. Call, by the way.
Thomas, the business line's ringing.
Yeah,
Thomas,
I know. I
the
saw.
line is ringing.
Same person called my cell phone too. So
we'll get back to you if you're watching this.
Yep. We will be getting back. SE. That's another. Whoa.
Ben, send me my picks in Slack so I got them all in the right
That was
place.
bullish.
Okay.
That one's bullish 93. I don't like that.
All right.
I hate it. See, but I don't like this previous pattern where it pops up and then kind of flows down and then pops up.
Mm-hmm.
Right now it's on this. I don't like that. How much time do I have left?
2 minutes.
Uh-oh. I'm going to go for NVIDIA. I saw something today where somebody was selling cash secured puts on NVIDIA. So I'm going to follow some non-financial advice, Twitter financial advice. Sell the strike at 120.
This is bullish or bearish?
Bullish, 120, earning $98 in premium.
Okay. Got one more pick left.
Stressful. Bonds keep going up, and bonds shouldn't be going up right now. They should be going down. So I'm going to go short. What?
Tell us why.
Well, because they cut interest rates. So when you cut the rate, bonds are going down, but rates are going up for whatever reason.
You're so distracting him.
I know, because I don't have all this time. I'm sorry. Like the 10-year rate keeps going up, but it should be coming down. And then the bond price should be going up.
So what does that mean for your decision here?
Well, now I'm lost because now I'm going to go. No, I'm going to stay away from it because there's a lot of uncertainty. Even Jerome Powell said in his speech he doesn't understand why the rates are going up still. So maybe I should stay away from it. How much time?
30 seconds.
Lock in. Oh, no. Ulta bullish. I don't even care. Just Ulta bullish.
ULTA?
Ulta. Warren Buffett bought a huge stake in the company like 2 months ago. Ulta bullish, 372.5, earning $300 in premium.
372.5 is the strike, and how much premium?
300.
This is Ulta like the beauty.
This is like Ulta Beauty.
Dude, that is such an expensive stock.
Yeah.
That's outrageous.
Warren Buffett believes in it big time. So you know what? I'm going to believe in it for a week.
If you look at all these billionaires, right, from television and social media, they're all in makeup. They're all in beauty. And I cannot believe Ulta is a $370 stock. That's insane. Okay, well, there you have it. Those are our picks. Thomas, little rushed there at the end, but you got it in. For a quick review, Ben, all bears this week. Bear down. Etsy at the $55 strike. DJT at the $19 strike. And BitX at the 29.5 strike. I had 2 bulls, 1 bear. Bullish on Walmart at $79. Bullish on Southwest, ticker LUV at $30. And bearish on MRK at $112. Thomas, 2 bulls, 1 bear. Bullish on Ulta at $372.50. Bullish on NVIDIA at $120. And bearish on ticker OXY, Occidental, I think. $58 is the sold call for that one. So not financial advice, but that is our PeakBot picks. Those will be posted on our socials. We will track. We want to look at J&J real quick before we get off. Let's look at J&J.
We can do that.
Who's got it? Ben's pulling it up.
Share my screen.
Yeah. Nah, wrong way.
You could have made a free $6, Ben, but instead you backed out of it. You even said it yourself. It's free money.
So we were looking at that big green bar before, right? I think that's where we were
looking at this.
Yeah.
What was my ticker?
What was your Oh yeah, that's right. Triple M.
Yeah.
I forget the strike. I can find it though. Do we know by looking at it? I think it was definitely 135. Yeah, it was 135.
Yep, going in the wrong direction.
That's too bad. Maybe
Looks
I can.
like Dillon might pull the win out this week.
Yeah, might triple bulls. All right. Anything else we want to discuss here?
No, let's go eat lunch.
Let's go eat lunch, man. 1:00 here on the East Coast. If you haven't eaten lunch, get some. Appreciate everybody tuning in. We'll have a lot of good stuff coming out with some coaching curriculum on options trading, options selling, utilizing PeakBot. We have some other exciting stuff going on with managed accounts. Stay tuned, people. We'll see you Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Market's not closed or anything, right?
No.
See you Monday morning. Thank you. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Take care, everyone.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.